Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn what is Upbit. Upbit is one of South Korea's most popular cryptocurrency exchanges, known for its simple interface and strong security. It allows users to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum with ease. To get started, visit the Upbit website, create an account with your email, verify your email address, and complete the KYC identity verification process by submitting your personal information and a valid ID. Once your account is verified, you can deposit either cryptocurrency from an external wallet or, where available, fiat currency through a linked bank account. To buy crypto, choose the coin you want, select either a market order or limit order, enter the amount, review your order, and confirm the purchase. Selling works the same way. Select the cryptocurrency, choose your order type, enter the amount, and confirm the sale. For better security, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, use a strong password, and set up a withdrawal password to help protect your account from unauthorized access. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more coin collecting tips. Thanks for watching.